pandemic, I think it could be positive and negative. For positive side, we need to do event, although it is in pandemic, but we need to consider the COVID-19 protocol, health protocol, using the mask, and then not too crowded, and then we need water to clean our hands. As long as we have that criteria to obey, I guess we can make the party. But for negative side, when we make the party in pandemic, people will consider we can harm many people, just like when we see in the TV that go to work is it could be a place to spread the coronavirus. So both have positive and negative impact. For the positive, we need the activity. We need to make any event just like in normal, but we need to consider the COVID-19 health protocol. I guess there's still pro and contra between making the event or canceling the event. But what I can see in the media, the MotoGP or the Formula One race, they make the event, but no audience are allowed to enter the stadium. They just race, doing their job, and then even football player, they have the match, they fight in the court, but no audience at that time. People can see the match online. So I guess that three example is that's why we can do the event, but we need to consider the COVID-19 health protocol.
Right.
That's it.
Any question for Mr. Anggo?
First of all, when we think about coronavirus, actually, in my opinion, it's like everybody have a shield that can protect themselves from any kind of anything that can harm themselves.
Sure.
So there is a shield for every human that when there is a disease come, our body will fight the thing that can harm themselves. So day by day, our body is smarter and smarter. Day by day, our body will be stronger and stronger. Since we see the information in the media, nowadays many people are recover from COVID-19 disease. So from that media, we can take a conclusion for now that coronavirus is something that can be cured, but not with the we call medicine, but with our body. Our body has like a certain ability to fight any disease. Our body day by day will develop this immune system. Day by day will be stronger and stronger. So when we're doing any event like a wedding party, I guess we cannot stop 100% doing the wedding party, since people are having a business in wedding party, let's say for makeover, and then for photographer, and then for catering business, and then many business that related to wedding party. So it is impossible for us asking money from people or to government always to ask the money, and then the government also cannot always give money to the people, the citizen. So what we need to do is we can try to earn money, but we need to obey the protocol, COVID-19 health protocol. If we do not obey that, the problem will come to both for the country and then for the citizen itself. So it is like everybody have responsibility to do the right thing. Everybody have their part to do, so make sure you do your part.
That's it. Right. Thank you, Paul.